Hello and welcome to another KCcoding tutorial. I'm going to show you guys your very first little bit of Java. So, without further ado, I'm not really going to go into too much detail on how this all works. Just going to give you your first hello world, first little exploration into programming. Just going to wait for NetBeans to load. You don't need to use NetBeans, but if you're going to be doing the rest of these tutorials, you might as well download NetBeans, look at my tutorial on how to do that. I'll post a link here. And yeah, we're going to start with a new project. Now, something that's very important right off the get-go, when you start writing Java, is that you always want to kind of find a location where you're going to put all of your projects, right? So you're going to want to click Browse, go to your documents, make a Java file. I actually have a section that's just called Code in Java. And then let's call this Hello World. Alright, finish. So it's going to create a project for us, and this is just going to give us a template that we can use. Here, so the first thing we're going to do is in the class public main. Sorry about that. In the public static void, we're just gonna give ourselves a little bit of space right about here. Just nice and big. And we're gonna write capital S system dot out dot print ln, and the ln stands for print line. So you're gonna go into these little braces here, the brackets are, put in quotation marks, and write hello world, a little exclamation mark at the end. Now you can write whatever you want here. This is the basic output from Java. Now what you're going to see here is you can just go run it. Well, you're going to compile it and run it. Build successful, and right there is our output, hello world. It's important to always put comments in your work, just so that you remember. And I know, I hate it too, but when I got into the more complex, higher level programming, you need to put your comments in, or you will never understand your work when you look back at it. So, make sure you always label. There's a zip file with this full project available at the link in the underbar. Alright, there's your tutorial on your basic output in Java. This is Casey, and I'm logging off.